Hey everyone, it's Big DWZ, and today we're going to make some merch for Amazon. The program I use is GIMP, and I also use a Wacom tablet, so we're using that. And first what we have to do is get started with the dimensions. Let's hit new. The width has to be 4500. Leave that out, 4500. And the height is 5400. Make sure it's pixels, and then go to advanced options. X resolution, you want to set to 300 pixels in, and Y resolution 300 pixels in. And fill background, you want it to be transparency because we're going to save it as a PNG. So go ahead, OK. Now, anything we draw in this little square is going to be the right dimensions and format size for our Amazon merch. But let's go ahead and get started here. And let's figure out what we're going to do today. It's green. Let's go more black color. Let's use a catchphrase. So I always call myself Big DWZ because it's just my initials. So let's go. Let's do. There we go. You can see the tablet does pretty good because you can fine point everything. So, but let's go ahead and see. Yeah, that's better. Okay. We're gonna do our own custom shirt. People like original work, so we're gonna make this original. Call this one Big Boy. Booyah, Big Boy. So, if you all want to go ahead and fill in some more, make it artistic, so that's what we're going to do. Do it right here. Make it all up. Make our own custom-made shirt. And what's good about the Wacom tablet is that it's actually pressure sensitive, so you can push as hard and soft as you want to it come out. There you go. Look at that. Oh. So I don't know that part right there. No, just do whatever you want. There we go. Maybe add some more colors to it. See, we're making our own. We're making our own original shirt. Because I notice a lot of times that people that are making shirts on merch by Amazon or doing cookie pasting or cookie cutter is that they're pretty much just finding already used images and just posting them up. This one right here is pretty much one of a kind, you know, pretty much. You see, I'm doing it right now, right in front of you. So making it all original. If you keep seeing those little tabs pop up, it's I'm accidentally just clicking on a button on the side of the Wacom pen. The pen right here, there's a button right there. Every time I push it, it pretty much gives you advanced settings. It's like having a mouse settings, like doing the right and left click of the mouse button. So here we go. It's looking good. I'm liking it. You guys got any ideas or anything that you would like to see made, go ahead and shoot me a comment on the bottom. Let me know. I'm also interested in any other merch artists out there and doing their designs and stuff like that. So I like to, you know, can network and collaborate. So go ahead and post your merch channel down on the bottom too. That's cool. Give yourself some advertising space, because I know it's really hard out there. Alright, I like that. That's pretty cool. It's unique. So maybe we should highlight it. What do you think? Red or green or blue? You know what? Let's go with actually, let's go with a closer to, you know, violet kind. Shade up a little bit here. Just trying to make our own distinctive mark here. Get a little bit of highlights. There you go. See that? Good. What I'm doing is just pretty much just highlighting little areas that I want to enhance, because I'm actually going to do some filters to make it look a little better. Go there. And don't just get discouraged on your work, because, you know, some people's like, oh, it doesn't look good, nobody's gonna buy that. But you'd be surprised about the things I've actually sold on merch. I sold things that I thought would never sell and actually did the real good with it. So I don't discredit anything I do. Just, you know, if you feel comfortable with it and you think it looks good, just go ahead with your first intuition. Just go ahead and try it. You never know. You might make $1 million off your item. So I'm hoping not. So you guys want to go ahead and support me and, you know, make me a millionaire. That's cool. Go ahead and buy the merch right here that I'm making, so y'all can own it. I'll even custom sign it for you if you want. Yeah, there you go. Write your name on the bottom and tell me that you want the custom merch by Big DWZ, and maybe I'll do a video for you of your custom work, and I'll upload it, and then you can have people come and buy it, and you say, oh look, Big D made that for me. What? Man, you'd be famous. That's right, look at that. Bomb. Y'all don't know it, Go. Hit it with a pen. Boom. Hit it with a pen. There we go. Later. Bomb. It's looking great. Uh-oh. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just doing a little, my little purple highlighting around the lettering. Trying to add my unique flair. Yes, sir. Almost done with it. Gotta get the O for big boy. Oh. Highlight it up. That was my sister-in-law just walked by. It's alright. Don't have an office space. Just got my living room. Oh, no, that came out wrong. So undo that big brush. There you go. Okay. That's cool. So now, let's go ahead and do filters. You can do blur, enhance if you want, distort. You want to do emboss, that would be cool. Go ahead and look for it down here. There we go. I just saw it there. Oh no, where'd it go? Let's do bitmap and let's hit OK and see how it looks. Is it doing it? Oh, it's in progress. Look at how slow this is going to be. So, anywho, once you get that there and you save your custom script, you're going to go to File, hit Save As, big boy merch. Go. And then you want to save the extension as a PNG image and hit save. And pretty much the format and size and everything we did there is going to be what will be acceptable for Amazon My Merch. Alright, thanks for watching. And like I said, y'all want some custom work done, just go ahead and shoot a description in the bottom right there, or make a comment, do whatever you want. I'd be happy to do something for y'all. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.